In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Subnautica 2 multiplayer with your friends. The first thing you need to do is you need to add your friends on Subnautica 2. And to do that, you want to go ahead and go to the main menu, press over here where it says join friends. Now, you need to get your friends code, and then from there, you're able to add them. So all your friend needs to do is they need to go over here to where it says code. There's going to be a button that says generate, and all they need to do is they need to press on it. And then that is going to provide them with a friend code. And all they need to do is they need to give you your friend code, and you also need to give your friends your code as well. So this is my code right over here. So I would go ahead and press on copy. Then I would send it to my friends, whether it be like Instagram, etc., or something like that, or Discord. All they need to do is they need to copy and paste it over here where it says friend code, and then they're able to select on add friend, and then both of you guys will now be in each other's friend list. An important thing to know is that everybody needs to have their own Subnautica account. So everyone needs to have a paid for and downloaded version of Subnautica 2. So that's definitely something to note. Anyways, once you're done with that, you want to go over here to where it says host multiplayer. And what you're able to do is you're able to select on host new multiplayer game. You could select on a game mode, whether it is a survival, creative, etc. So let's just go with creative. Then you're able to select on host game just like so. And then it is going to begin your game. All right, then it's going to start you off here. And what you're able to do is you're able to press on escape. Then select on friends list. And then over here, your friends are going to appear. And then you're able to go ahead and add them. Unfortunately, I have no friends. But if you do have friends right over here, you're able to go ahead and invite them. And all they need to do is they need to accept your invite. And you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.